Bonjour tout le monde. Let's uncover today the French brain behind depuis, how it turns up in sentences, and a way to remember this. Because, let's face it, when we're English, we try and translate, and this word does not translate perfectly. We have to get into our French brain. Please think about sharing this, partagez if you know anybody else who would be interested in learning this. I'm Christine Cam, founder of Simply French Online, and I use my own real French method, making your learning rewarding, effective and adventurous learning. On s'y met. Let's dive in with depuis. Now already you can see on screen we have two meanings for depuis. Let's look carefully. Two examples that I'm going to show you to start with is J'apprends le français depuis un an. So I've been learning French for a year, or j'apprends le français depuis 2022. So that's, I've been learning French since 2020. So already for French people trying to work out which is which, they have to think, oh, is it for or is it since? So if you think it's just us struggling, it's not. It's something that you have to work out the idea of it all. So let's unpick that. So in English we'd say, I have been learning French for a year or since 2022. We've got for and since, but the French want to use just depuis. Let's look closely. The English way shows that you started in the past. That's the English brain thinking. So you say, I have been. In other words, you're telling me that you started a while ago, and the ing is highlighting the fact that you're still at it because you haven't finished. Ing is about keeping it going. So I learned French for a year since 2022 is a bit weird in English. And when you hear French people speaking, when they don't understand this, this is what they will say. So the French way includes the concept that you're still studying by using the present tense. I learn, because the present tense is about now. And are we studying and learning now? Yes. So there's the logic. I'm doing it now. And they use that in the word depuis. Depuis expresses that for us. So they use the present tense. Therefore they have, j'apprends in the present. It doesn't actually translate as I have been learning. That's our English brain. So, depuis is translated as since or for. J'apprends le français depuis l'année dernière. I've been learning French since last year. So since is used when we say a specific moment in time, but in French we'll still use depuis. And the other one, for, is used when we say the length of time we've been studying. Look at that, we have been studying, but actually we study or we learn. J'apprends le français depuis un an. I learn French starting a while ago, still doing it, all in that word depuis, and then at the time, depuis un an, the length of time. It sounds a bit weird at first, but actually it's the concept of depuis. It's something you started a while ago and you're still doing. That's it. So in French, depuis is used for both meanings, since or for, and the only difference is how we express it. So let's have a go at having a quick test to see if you've absorbed this. So let's test you. I have been a vegetarian since 2021, or I have not been eating meat for several years. How would you say that? Pause the video now, work it out and come back now. I have been a vegetarian since 2021. You need to express that you started in the past and are still doing it with the word depuis. And because you're still doing it, you want je suis. This is masculine, feminine. Je suis végétarien if you're a man. Je suis végétarienne if you're a lady. So what about I've not been eating meat for several years? Okay, so pause now if you want to work it out and come for the answer. So you're going to say I have not been eating it. So present tense alert. Okay, in English it's like we're telling us we started in the past. We're going to need depuis to express that. Je ne mange pas. In the present tense, I do not eat. Je ne mange pas de viande depuis 2021. And that's it. There's just one basic test. Feel free to get in touch with me if you have any more ideas, or put them in the conversation thread. Tag me and I can answer you and the things that you try to create with this word depuis. Maybe you even want your own lessons. Get in touch with me at simplyfrenchonline.com/lessons. Merci tout le monde. À la prochaine.